In 2025, a staggering 85 million jobs are expected to disappear, wiped out by rapid advancements in technology. Industries including manufacturing, customer service, and transportation are poised to lose 85 million jobs to AI and automation. And today, we're going to uncover how Tesla is a key player in this revolution. This video, we will explore the 3 key areas where Tesla's AI advancements are nearing to replace human workers. So, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out the innovative ways Tesla is at the leading edge. Before I forget, make sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest in AI news and innovative products. Now let's talk about 3 key areas where AI advancements at Tesla are poised to replace human workers. Tesla's development of fully autonomous vehicle technology, particularly through its autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, is first on the list. By 2025, increased deployment and potential widespread adoption of these technologies could drastically reduce the need for human drivers, including truckers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel. This shift is anticipated to lead to significant job losses in driving-related professions, to fleets of driverless cars and trucks become the new norm. Secondly, Tesla's use of sophisticated robotic systems and AI in its manufacturing process is another area where the company is setting trends. Tesla production facilities heavily utilize automated processes for vehicle assembly. They are continually refining these technologies and potentially achieve more advanced levels of manufacturing automation by 2025. As a result, fewer human workers will be needed on production lines. This could lead to substantial reductions in manufacturing jobs, affecting many skilled and unskilled workers. And coming in at number 3 is AI-driven diagnostics and maintenance. Tesla is enhancing its vehicles' capabilities to diagnose and even rectify some maintenance issues through software updates and AI-driven solutions. This advancement could significantly reduce the demand for human mechanics and technicians by enabling vehicles to self-diagnose and perform routine maintenance checks. Now, it's no secret why Tesla will have massive layoffs in 2025. And of course, we can again give thanks to our friend, AI. The revolution of AI is urging the need for workers to adapt to a rapidly changing job market or face the harsh reality of becoming obsolete. We need to adapt, and we need to do it fast. This is not just advice, it's a necessity to avoid falling into economic despair. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this update on the latest AI news and products, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.